the old thermostat's out. To me it looks fine. Maybe it's not now. Okay guys, I'm back in the garage with the Integra. You guys saw the compression test already. You guys saw me try filling it up with the no spill. I always forget what it's called, but it's a previous video. I'm pretty sure there's air in here, so went to AutoZone and bought a thermostat. So my last options is the thermostat's not opening or the water pump is no good. So I'm going to start with this. Then if this doesn't fix the issue, I'm going to have to lean towards the water pump. If the water pump doesn't fix it, then I'm sure you guys can imagine what's next. But hopefully it's just a thermostat. I'm going to go ahead and bring the other camera closer. Show you guys everything right here. Super easy. 3 bolts. Drain the coolant. That's it. Refill it back up. Put those 3 bolts back on for the thermostat. So shouldn't be that bad at all. But I'm going to go ahead and grab the other camera and show you guys a little closer of the thermostat. Okay guys, the old thermostat's out. To me it looks fine. Maybe it's not now, but it was fine. I don't know if this one has, I don't know if you guys can hear that. Could have been because I just dropped it. This one doesn't make that noise. So, said super easy to remove that. Sits like that. So 3 bolts, the hose, that's it. Let's slap this sucker back on. I'm going to turn off the camera. It's pretty straightforward. I don't think you guys need. Who knows? Maybe I'll do a little fast forward as I put this back together. Okay guys, I plan on starting off with the coolant that I took out. So I'm going to pour all that back in. Doesn't really feel like a lot. And then I have some more coolant that I could put in and distilled water. Just to see if it's going to work or not. Okay guys, I'm going to go around and start the car now and get it up to temp. I'm going to turn off the Bluetooth off the phone to the GoPro so I could watch the Hondata and keep an eye on the temperature. So I'm going to go ahead and start doing that. Let me go get the car started. Okay guys, again it didn't work. Temperature was hitting about 215. Shouldn't be getting that high. Kind of stumped. I really don't want to do the water pump, but I might have to. Or it's the head gasket. Two jobs I really don't want to do. But you guys let me know. Hopefully, by the time I upload this one of those two jobs may already be done. Today's what's today's date? 28th of September. So I don't know. Thermostat wasn't the trick. So we'll see what happens. Water pump, head gasket. One of those two. You guys let me know what you think. Like, subscribe, share the video. And again, I hope to see more Honda peeps on this YouTube channel. Thanks, guys.